Amaphoyisa athi akhathazekile ngokwanda kwezenzo zobugebengu nokusetshenziswa kwezidakamizwa endaweni yaseKrugersdorp.
Illegal activities are really doing their rounds in here, especially the issue of drugs. This very same place, Silverite, we are having problems as far as drugs is concerned. So we have come here in large numbers really to try and combat the issue of drugs and fight any form of lawlessness, of course.
Ngesikhathi amaphoyisa eqhuba umkhankaso wawo wezokuphepha kule ndawo, agasele kwesinye sezakhiwo ezingasetshenziswa, athola kunabantu abavalelwe ngaphakathi.
We are going to conduct an investigation as to who really owns this building. It's in a dilapidated state, and I mean, we have seen people here, over 10 people being housed here, and somebody decided to lock them in. Something could go wrong, maybe a gas explosion or something, will have fatalities. So something is not on here. We really have to make sure that we crack down and we find out who the owner of this building and who are these people who are living here. Some of them might be undocumented, and that's why we are here.
Babalelwa ngaphezulu kwamakhulu ayisithupha abantu bokufika abakuleli ngongemthetho ababoshwe ezindaweni ezehlukene eGauteng ngenyanga edlule.
You have a high number of undocumented people living in such kind of area, conducting their criminal acts and so on. So crime is really very high in our CBDs. So what we are trying to do is really to try and clean up our Krugersdorp CBD today. It's just part of the many operations that we are engaging upon.
Amaphoyisa aseGauteng athi imikhankaso yawo yezokuphepha iyaqhubeka kuwona wonke amadolobha akhele isifundazwe uqinisekisa ukuphepha kwezakhamuzi.